The part of the Senate, the joint session is called to order.
On the part of the House of Representatives, the joint session is called to order. Please rise for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be led by the Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Chorale. Ladies and gentlemen, honorable members of the 20th Congress of the Philippines, ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, Kagalang-galang Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian, and honorable members of the Senate, House Speaker Faustino D. III, and honorable members of the House of Representatives,